Look at this. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kyle Anthony Snell live at First Free Will Baptist. They doing some construction back there. They just took out the baptism pool. They're about to do something else around here. About to head on outside. I saw some construction workers around here, so I just decided to swoop by and see what's the commotion about. Hey fellas. Looks like they putting some new siding on the back of the church. Walking around the campus of First Free Will. Now they got a bus. It's been a while since I visited here. They just put some new walkway front last year. Put some new siding around the fellowship hall building. Some new roofing, looks neat. It's about finished with one side.